Welcome to 5-Minute Teaching Tips. Today I'm going to talk about the importance of using graphics to teach grammar. What is graphic grammar? Graphic grammar involves the use of visual elements such as charts, arrows, images, and videos to reinforce grammatical concepts. Unlike the usage of traditional grammar tables that we are used to, research indicates that a significant portion of learners are visual learners, meaning they are able to grasp information through visual aids. Let's look at this image on how to teach adjectives. As you can see, we define what adjectives are with a blue font, and from here we can see an image to associate it to the adjective. As we explained the rule, the usage of the adjective always appears in blue. When describing a different part, we use a different color for the student to understand the different parts of speech in the sentence. With every grammar rule, we have language awareness. Here, graphically, it is important to show the emphasis or the exception to the rule. Now, this can be done with a second pair of eyes or glasses using a graphic icon to alert their attention. Visual learning is deeply associated to auditory learning, and what better way to show the grammar usage than through fully animated videos, where they can associate the visuals to the sound to help them deepen their comprehension and at the same time, contextualization in real-life situations.
Adjectives. Adjectives describe people. The girl is young. Animals. The dog is small. Things. The notebook is yellow. Places. The house is old. Number. The elephant is big. The elephants are big. Adjectives go before a noun. This is a yellow bike. After a verb when there isn't a noun. This bike is yellow. Language awareness. When we want to ask for age, we use how old. How old are you? I'm 10.
Graphic grammar supports multimodal learning by combining visual, auditory, and kinesthetic elements. And how can this be applied? Through practice. Graphic grammar addresses the inclusivity aspect of teaching and bridges the gap between language barriers. It makes grammar more accessible to learners from different backgrounds. The translation into Portuguese makes it even more inclusive because they are able to understand it in their mother language. To sum up, graphic grammar stimulates interest, fosters creativity, facilitates real-world application, supports diverse learning styles, and promotes inclusivity. And that is all for now, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on the next 5-Minute Teaching Tips.